Hi guys, thanks so much for checking out my video today. I make a lot of snow globe tumblers like this, where the glitter and liquid is inside a double wall tumbler to give it a real snow globe look. And the most common question that I get is, what liquid mixture do I use in my snow globe tumblers? And the answer to that question is vegetable glycerin and purified drinking water. I literally use just a bottle of drinking water that I haven't drank. I like the way the vegetable glycerin slows down the water and the glitter. So you'll see that the glitter is kind of suspended, and it is a bit cold right now, so it's not falling very much. The cold will slow down the vegetable glycerin as well. But even on a warm day, the vegetable glycerin will slow down the liquid and the glitter to where you'll see the glitter fall just like really slowly, and you can enjoy the glitter mixture moving around while you're enjoying your drink. I don't recommend using just water, and in this video we're gonna see why. What does the glitter look like when it's just mixed with water? And so for this video I'm gonna recreate this tumbler, this same purple glitter, which is called Bad Girl from Cielo y Luna Designs, and we'll see what happens. Now I'm gonna fill this squeeze bottle with just water. I would normally put vegetable glycerin and water in here, but I'm just going to put the water for this video. But if you would like a list of all the supplies that I use in making my snow globe tumblers, please check out that link in the description. I do have a full list of supplies there with links to each of the products that I use. I also teach people how to make these snow globe tumblers from start to finish in an online class where you can go at your own pace. So check out that link in the description as well. So I'm not sure how much I'm actually going to need. Actually, I don't need that much because I'm going to use just the 16-ounce Starbucks tumbler. I might need a bit more. I'll just add it in here. It's not going to hurt anything. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to use this to fill up some water. I'm probably going to speed through this part of the process just so the video is not super long. It gets quite repetitive, so if it's sped up, I will be back. Okay, so I have filled this with water and glitter, and that's it, no glycerin. And this is the part of the process where I let it degas, where I would let any air that may have gotten trapped inside the tumbler and in between the glitter, I'm going to give it some time to come up. So we'll degas it, and I'm leaving like a little pocket there for the air to be able to come out through the holes. So I let it degas for 24 hours, and then I'll come back and seal it before I flip it over and see what the glitter fall looks like. And so I'm going to stop the video here, but I will come back and show you the results, and we'll compare it to the tumbler that does have vegetable glycerin in it. Okay, so I'm back after 24 hours of letting this tumbler sit without being shaken. I let it degas just like I would normally do if I was using the vegetable glycerin mixture. And my initial observations are there are lots of little tiny bubbles. This is what I would normally want to get rid of during that 24-hour degassing process. And I'll tell you, from using vegetable glycerin all this time, I've never seen it come back with all these little tiny bubbles. So that is definitely something different. And we'll see what it looks like after I seal this up and then shake around the glitter. Before I do seal it completely, I need to add a bit more liquid just to fill this up. This is what I would normally do with the vegetable glycerin and water mixture. If you want complete steps on how to make a snow globe tumbler from start to finish, check out the link in my description. I do show the exact method I use in my snow globe tumbler class that you can take online. You can go at your own pace, but I do show you step by step how to make these snow globe tumblers with the vegetable glycerin mixture. And so part of my process is using a bumper to seal this. So that's what I'm going to do here. If this does start taking me a bit longer to do, I will speed up the video just because sometimes these bumpers do take a while to get in. Now, if you are able to, I would definitely recommend getting the tumblers that already have the hole in them and that come with the plug, just because they're so much easier to use. I recently started using those after discovering them, and they actually work out really, really well. And my second bumper here. Okay, so now that I got the bumpers on, I'm going to clean the bottom of this and then I'm going to seal it up, and I will be back to show you what this flow looks like after it's completely sealed. Okay, I have sealed up this cup and I'm going to go ahead and flip it over. Before I do, I am just checking to see there are still some bubbles in here, but I want to say there weren't as many as there were earlier. So I don't know what happened. It does look a bit more clear, even though there are still some in there. So anyways, let's see what this looks like. I'm going to flip it over. Kind of a cool flow. I mean, it falls really quickly because the glitter, it just weighs a lot more than the water. So it's going to fall quickly. The glycerin is not slowing it down. And so, in my opinion, it falls much too quickly. And not a lot of it stays suspended here in the middle area. So I was just curious to see exactly what this would look like with only water. And I kind of want to answer the question on why I use vegetable glycerin in my mixture. And so this was kind of like a fun experiment to try out. And also, like, I want to save this so that I have it. This is what it looks like with just water. Good to kind of know. Oh, let me grab the tumbler that I have with vegetable glycerin with this exact glitter so we can compare. Okay, so this one has the same glitter that's in here, but this larger one has vegetable glycerin in it. Let me shake it up a bit so we can see what the flow looks like. You can see, even though a lot of it is falling, a lot of it is also staying suspended so that you can see glitter all throughout the cup, where this one, it just falls so quickly. And the glitter is not floating around. I mean, it floats around. It looks really cool on the initial shake, but it only lasts a couple seconds. So this is the reason, this right here is the reason why I use vegetable glycerin in my snow globe tumblers. Just gives a whole lot better of a glitter flow. And then if you're interested in any tutorials on how to apply rhinestones or any fun experiments like this, then I recommend you subscribe to my channel, as I'll have more videos coming out. Thanks so much for checking me out today.